Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2017 Cadillac ATS Luxury Coupe. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals and puddle lamps, solar array lightly tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch alloy wheels, all-season run-flat tires, adaptive HID headlamps with LED signatures, a nice Galvano chrome accented grille, and a strong 4-cylinder with only 14,468 miles. The dual exhaust, LED taillights, parking sensors, key fob trunk release, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather bucket seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, a heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with Bluetooth voice recognition and a Bose surround sound system, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.